Every month, more Ramsey County residents are dying from opioid overdoses. Knowing how to use naloxone could save a life. Check for an overdose. Check the person's breathing. Should be more than once every 5 seconds. Look if their lips or fingertips are blue or gray, or if they don't respond to noise, a pinch or knuckle rub on the chest. Call 911 for help. Tell them that someone isn't breathing. Stay until help arrives, even if the person seems better. Give naloxone. Hold the container with your thumb on the bottom plunger and your fingers on both sides of the nozzle. Put the nozzle into the nose and push the plunger. Give breaths. Make sure there is nothing in the mouth. Tilt their head, lift the chin, and pinch the nose. Then give one breath every 5 seconds. If the person does not wake up in 2 to 3 minutes, give a second dose on other side of the nose. Stay with the person. Continue giving breaths if needed until help arrives. Steve's Law is Minnesota's Good Samaritan law that provides immunity to people who call 911 to save a life. It protects the person overdosing and one other person that calls 911 and stays until help arrives. Learn more about the Ramsey County Opioid Response Initiative at ramseycounty.us/opioids. The Ramsey County Naloxone Distribution Project is being offered by St. Paul, Ramsey County Public Health, and funded in part by Minnesota's settlements with opioid companies. In a mental health crisis? Get help 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Ramsey County has programs and services to support you.